the velvet red, jet black, this model is available. The Intercity Neo, the retro design for everyone. It is available into 4 color variants. Retro blue and retro black. With a single charge, you can go up to 89 batteries, 4 to 6 hours, and lead acid batteries 6 to 8 hours as a charging time.
This require accuracy.
Yeah, this require.
This require. Because speed is very
Yeah,
high.
right.
And it is for the young generation, the bowlers or bike players. This is unwilling. And will be launched very shortly also.
इसमें रिवर्स गियर भी है सर.
Everything, yes, it has a reverse gear. It has got a LED.
Also thumbs up. Also thumbs up. Today we are launching the 6 electrical scooters and unveiling one electrical bike that is for tomorrow new generations, because today we are suffering the big, which is the pollution vehicles, and what we are giving to the nation is completely we cannot breathe. If you see the last few days back before COVID and all, Delhi was clocked clearly. Now this vehicle, if we change, it will completely the safe platform and the new technology thing, and is all completely made in India. So we can, if our Indian people or generation use this new electrical vehicles, this will change the total scenery of our economy as well as our environment. This is what we want.
About the fuel consumption, there was
This is hardly having any cost of traveling. That is around 10 paisa per kilometers. Electrical bikes are suitable. So you don't need to spend much of the thing. And it is big thing is the pollution. It don't create any pollution. More safe, more steady, and you can be available on the mobiles and all. You can control.
for booking, where to go?
Bookings are available online through media also, and we have Hello stores across the nation, and we have 3-4 in Goa also, like Vasco we have got, Ponda we have got, Madgaon we have got. So nearby store will be available in our web page or mobile app, so you can find that.
What about a helmet registration, anything?
Helmets, these are slow speed vehicles. First round helmet is better if you wear the helmet, but it's not mandatory, and registration is not mandatory. We can use, this is slow speed vehicle, we can use it normal. And children can use. And it don't need license, driving license also. Something like cycle vehicle.
Sir, now it's COVID-19 is going on.
Right.
So what about the business?
Yes, this COVID is infected all industries, not only the electrical vehicle, but this is a electrical vehicle which is entering to the Indian markets, and it will make its own path. I'm sure electrical vehicle is not going to impact because of COVID. People are waiting. Yes, I want something which is good for the environment, because due to COVID we can see fresh air, something. So this is certainly not going to impact, and is going to be better in future.
What about the cost?
Cost, these are better than our regular vehicles, what we are buying, which are around 50 to 1 lakhs normally. But our bikes, living bikes aside, which is around 1 lakhs plus, remaining thing is all within the 50 or 40,000. So this is quite feasible for every student.
30% lower than
Much, even 30 or 25% lower than the normal vehicles which is available in the market.
Your good name, sir?
I'm Mr. Jaivir Singh. I'm looking after this project. We have started in 2018 to development this one, and now 2019 we are completely perfect with all the models. And in 2019 February we have launched our vehicle under the Auto Expo Delhi Motor Show, that is Noida. And thereafter we thought, waiting for the COVID-19 situation to come out, so that now keep waiting, and it's not happening. So we have to declare and proceed.